Saving time with Oracle clips.
In this clip, we will look at using Podman to remove containers. We already have a number of containers created using Oracle Linux images from the Oracle Container Registry, which are in various started and not started states. So first, let's see the containers on our system, regardless of the running or not running status. We use the command podman ps-a. We can see some containers running and some are created but not running. To remove a container, it needs to be first stopped. We can verify this by attempting to remove the container myfirstol8 with the command podman rm myfirstol8. The error tells us the container is running and cannot be removed unless we stop it first, or use a force option with the command. So we stop the container with the command podman stop myfirstol8. Now we can remove the container with the command podman rm myfirstol8. Listing the containers, we see it has been removed. You can use the name or container ID in the command, and even a partial ID reading left to right will work. So now we remove the stopped My Web Server container with the same command but using its partial container ID. We can remove multiple stopped containers by simply listing their names or IDs in the same command. Here we removed 3 containers. We can even mix names and IDs in the command. If we want to remove a running container without stopping it first, we use the -- force option. Here we force remove the MySecond OL8 container. Forcing a container removal can also be used to remove pause containers, even containers that are unstable or created by different container engines. We can also have a container automatically removed after it's stopped by adding a remove option to the command when it's created or run. We insert the --rm option into the podman run or podman create command. Let's try this. We verify it is created and running. Now we stop the container and verify it was removed from the container list. This also happens when you attach to a container created or run with the --rm option and then exit its shell prompt. We can remove all containers with the -a option. We get errors from the running containers indicating that these should have been stopped first, but all stopped containers are removed. But for still running containers, we can use the force option by adding -f-a to remove all containers regardless of state or errors, and we verify all the containers are removed. So that's a quick look at some of the Podman options for removing containers.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.